Hello everyone, how are you? So again I have made new video. So in this video I'm going to share with you how we make brownie, which item we put to make brownie. Step by step I will share with you. If you watch this video once, you can make brownie yourself at your home. So don't waste your time. So let's see how we make brownie. To make brownie we use maida 200 gram, chocolate sauce, and you can give dark chocolate 500 gram, cocoa powder 100 gram, normal sugar 200 gram, brown sugar 100 gram, kaju 200 gram, vanilla essence 2 spoon, butter 400 gram, 8-piece egg, baking powder also is used. Now you can see the first step. I'm putting all 8-piece egg in the bowl. Very simply I will show you. Now I'm adding sugar. Now I am mixing it properly. I hope you can see properly understanding what I'm doing.
Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? No rush, go and move dumb. Back and forth, push and shove. Make your peace and love into peace and gloves. Now you gotta do it right now.
Now I'm putting brown sugar. This is the second step. So as you have seen the first step, we put sugar, normal sugar 200 gram and 8-piece egg. After that things we mix properly, and now second step we put brown sugar. We have to mix it properly, otherwise brownie will not good. Continue, see. So second step is going to be finish. So when you will mix properly, so the mixing thing will be like this. You have to understand. I am putting cocoa powder in the bowl. This is third step. First we put maida, then cocoa powder we put. Maida 200 gram and cocoa powder 100 gram. After that I'm putting 1 teaspoon baking powder. Then we have to stand properly. I hope you are understanding. First step we put egg and sugar, then we mix again. Second step we put brown sugar, then we mix it properly. Then baking powder, maida and cocoa powder, all thing I am putting in the same place in the bowl. Then I'm putting kaju, vanilla essence. If you think, if you want to make put vanilla essence when you put sugar and egg. That time you can also do it, but now I am putting at the same thing. Now I will put butter as well, and butter 400 gram I put, and chocolate I am putting 500 gram. If you have dark chocolate, you can also put 500 gram, but you have to melt the dark chocolate. As this chocolate is melted, that's how it is coming. Then all together I am mixing by whiskey. Very simply I am trying to show you. As I'm new, I have don't much idea to explain in the video. I'm not using hand gloves because this brownie we make for us, that's why. But the reality, when we make food and anything for customer, we use hand gloves, head cap. Can you see properly? All thing we put in the bowl, I put in the bowl, and now its look has been changed because of mixing well. Now you can see the mixture is ready. Now we are going for the step 4. I am applying the butter in the tray properly way, because now I will put here butter paper. This butter paper, this is the butter paper. Why we use this butter paper? Do you know? Because when it will be baked, when we will take off from the oven, it will be it will be easily take off the brownie. We can take brownie easily from here. That's why we use butter paper. I hope watching this you are understanding what I'm doing.
Oh, these brothers my guys. Know that we fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? No rush, go and move dumb. Back and forth, push and shove. Make your peace and love turn to peace and gloves. Now you gotta do a run now.
Now you can see it is ready. Brownie is ready to bake. Now I will put this tray in the oven. Can you see? Yes. So on side it will be little bit more heat and downside will be little bit less heat. I hope you understood. Then it will be like this. This is a downside. This is the upside.
Oh, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? No rush, go on, move dumb. Back and forth, push and shove. Make your peace and love turn to peace and gloves. Now you gotta do it right now. Oh, these brothers my guys. Know that they fly, know that they ride or die. Why they wanna move like that? Where you want gone? Why you want act like that? Why you play hard? No rush, go on, move dumb.